got my new shoes in, and I'm gonna make this as quick and easy as possible as I can, all right? These are my New Balances 9060 by Bricks and Wood. Bricks and Wood is a LA based company that sells urban wear and various other merchandise. And they do other collabs with various other, I guess, designers and local designers that are around the area. And that's kind of how I found them out, is they were doing collabs with another group that I get that's local. So let's pull this out the box. And one thing that I noticed right now is this is just completely different than any other shoebox that I've gotten. This is really cool. First off, I thought this was the shoebox, but this is just what they ship it in. That's really cool. Nike's never really given me anything special like that. 9060, as you can see on the front, and I believe this is the Bricks and Wood. Oh my goodness, this is a beautiful box, you guys. I'm actually really excited that I got these. One thing that I should mention is, everybody's already seen what these. If you're watching this video, you know what these are. But one thing that I've never really seen anybody else do is, I'm gonna open these up. I don't have a whole lot of time because I have places to be, and I'm supposed to be actually wearing these. Oh my goodness, these are just T-O. Woo! These are like some Yeezys, which I have. I was just wearing a pair of Yeezys on my feet, and I'll probably put them next to these as well. These are very fuzzy, a lot fuzzier than I realized, to be honest with you. This whole material, I actually really, really like it. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to throw these on. Yeah, so let's just talk about how this feels. This feels so soft, very high quality, slightly similar to the Yeezy in my opinion. Like this reflective material, squeeze test, not very soft on the outside, not as soft as I thought it would be, but that doesn't matter because it feels great on the feet. I don't really care how it feels when I touch it on the outside. Let's give it a little bit of a bend, huh? Stiff. One thing I noticed is the inside that they don't really show you. A lot of this inside is like a very funky color. It's like a baked camo almost on the inside with a little bit of that house symbol in there. And the favorite thing that nobody really talks about is the bottoms. I just really feel the bottoms of these. But yeah, I like the colorways. I like everything about them. Pretty soon I'm going to put them on and let you guys know how comfortable these are. They're New Balances. They're made for comfort. They're made for walking, and I'm pretty sure that these are very comfortable. One other thing that I'm noticing right now is I notice these are a little bit lower than I was expecting. I thought these were a little bit more of a midsole, but these are low. Not a problem at all. They still look gorgeous. Just didn't realize that they were that low, and they're going to still look great on my feet. Let's put these back in the box. Actually, no, let's take them out all the way. And we're going to do a quick one with extra laces, just in case you don't want those fuzzy ones. I hear people don't, not everybody likes those fuzzy ones. I do. We're going to go ahead and take these out of the box now. Let's do this part so we can let's do a quick comparison. I'll zoom in on all this. Oh my goodness, there's so much stuff in here. Let's pull these out. Immediately, I just had to do it because I couldn't help but just, the patterns, the thickness on the bottom. Not exactly the same, obviously. These have like the different kind of a material in the back. But yeah, I don't know why. They just remind me of some Balenciagas. They look like designer shoes so much. Let's put them next to each other. How often do you see it like this, right? Let's put these shoes next to each other. So, $180, $1,200. I don't remember how much these shoes cost me. I got these a couple years ago. I was on a spree of buying crap. Shoes are not worth that much money, I'll tell you that. But they are good because they help me. One thing I did like about these shoes, they help me with my walking. They're really good for your form. They're just a little bit heavier, but they actually helped me out with my walking form and really corrected that, and they force you to walk with great form. So shout out to Balenciaga for making some good walking shoes, and I hope that these are similar. I'm looking at the bottoms, and I think that these, since they're so flat, they'll probably help me. Let's put them on to show you guys. Okay, let's get it going. So, let's drop them on the floor. It's not disrespecting to get them dirty. Oh my goodness, how do you do this? These things are so thick. Nobody shows you this part really, right? Loosening them up so that you can actually put them on your feet. I'm going to show you this because I'm about to get out the door and wear this. So you guys can check out my outfit right here. I'm going to throw this on. 1 foot in. Oh yeah, woo! Oh, they fit. I I got these in the size 11.5. They actually run slightly bigger than I was expecting. They fit almost like 12s. Actually, you know what? Yeah, almost like 12s. But let's just really see one actually. There's paper inside of these ones too. Known. Going, huh? Styling on my way. Probably shouldn't even wear these out, huh? Should probably hold on to these for resale. Ew, these are fly, baby. These are super fly, and it's raining outside. But, you see what happened? These, in my opinion, are easily just as stylish as these. Alright, maybe not all the way as crazy and funky as these shoes, but they're close, man. Close, man. You would think these were only $180, I'll tell you that.
So sexy, I don't like to stand in one place when we roll. I like to move it, who like to move it?